Excuse me. I have a problem.
What problem do you have?
I can't speak English fluently.
Have you been practicing regularly?
No, I haven't practiced much.
Why haven't you practiced enough?
I'm unsure where to start.
Have you tried watching English videos?
No, I haven't tried that yet.
You should watch English movies.
Will watching movies help me?
Yes, it improves listening skills.
How often should I watch them?
Watch at least one movie weekly.
Should I use subtitles while watching?
Yes, use subtitles at first.
Should I read English books too?
Yes, reading helps expand vocabulary.
What types of books are best?
Start with easy novels or stories.
How often should I read?
Read for at least 30 minutes daily.
What else can I do?
Practice speaking with friends.
My friends don't speak English.
Try joining an English-speaking group.
Where can I find such groups?
Look online or in your community.
How can I improve my grammar?
Study basic grammar rules daily.
Are there any good grammar apps?
Yes, try popular language learning apps.
How much time should I spend?
Spend at least an hour daily.
What if I make mistakes?
Mistakes are part of learning.
How can I correct my mistakes?
Review them and practice regularly.
Is it helpful to speak out loud?
Yes, it boosts confidence and fluency.
Should I record myself speaking?
Yes, listening back is very helpful.
How often should I record myself?
Do it weekly to track progress.
What about writing in English?
Writing helps reinforce learning.
What should I write about?
Start with daily journal entries.
How can I expand my vocabulary?
Learn 5 new words daily.
How should I remember new words?
Use them in sentences immediately.
Is it useful to learn phrases?
Yes, common phrases aid conversation.
How can I practice conversation?
Speak with a language partner.
What if I feel nervous?
Start with short, simple conversations.
How can I stay motivated?
Set small, achievable language goals.
What kind of goals should I set?
Goals like learning a new phrase.
How can I track my progress?
Keep a journal of your improvements.
Is listening to music helpful?
Yes, it helps with pronunciation.
What type of music should I listen to?
Listen to English songs you enjoy.
Should I sing along with the songs?
Yes, it's a fun way to practice.
How can I improve pronunciation?
Mimic native speakers' pronunciation.
What's the best way to mimic?
Repeat after listening to native speakers.
Should I focus on American English?
Yes, if you want to speak it.
How is American English different?
It has distinct accents and vocabulary.
Should I learn slang words?
Yes, they're useful in casual conversations.
Where can I learn slang?
Watch shows or talk to native speakers.
Should I practice every day?
Yes, consistency is key in learning.
What if I miss a day?
Just continue the next day.
How long until I see progress?
You'll notice improvement in a few weeks.
Is there a specific study schedule?
Create one that fits your lifestyle.
Should I focus on one skill?
Balance all skills: reading, writing, speaking, listening.
What's the most important skill?
Speaking and listening are crucial.
Can I learn with friends?
Yes, learning with friends is motivating.
Should I test myself regularly?
Yes, quizzes help measure progress.
What resources can I use?
Use apps, books, videos, and podcasts.
How can I avoid getting bored?
Mix up your learning activities.
What if I feel discouraged?
Remember, progress takes time.
Should I celebrate small achievements?
Absolutely, it keeps you motivated.
What's the final tip for learning?
Stay patient, consistent, and enjoy the journey.